I'm going to start by just like, answering some questions. One, which is really like, what hair did I use? I used a deep wave human hair. I do have the hair link in my description box. And I also used 2 bundles of the 20 inches and 1 bundle of the 18. So you can use like 3 bundles of the 18 or 3 bundles of the 20. You don't have to use like, you don't have to like have like a mix and match. As long as it's like below 22, you should be fine. But I would highly, highly recommend between 18 to the 20 inches for any of your mid-back style to give you like a fuller look. Because let's be honest, the longer the inches, the lesser the bundles, if that makes sense. So if you get like the 20 inches, the fullness that comes from a 20 inches might be less than the fullness of the 24. I mean, I'm trying to make sense out of it, but it's very hard for me to make sense out of that. But if you guys get what I'm saying, just let me know. But I will always recommend like the 20 inches to like the longer ones for my mid back. And this is gonna be a medium mid back. Use 3 bundles, color 1B. And also, do you seal your ends? I don't seal my ends with nail glue, or I don't do like the tying of the knot. And I also don't like use like a lighter to like burn the ends, because there's no point. It's just gonna cause like more tangle. I do, if you want to see how I seal my ends, you can just watch the video. I feel like sometimes it's better for me to like show you than to like say it, because saying it, sometimes could be confusing. So maybe when you see it, and if you don't, just let me know, because sometimes I say stuff and I don't even know if I even recorded that part of the video. But I don't seal my ends. I usually like braid to the end and like have like a very tight twist, and maybe like rarely I would like tie the knot if I feel like that specific braids I don't feel confident about the braids. But I've never had issues of like, the hair unraveling or falling off. Like, I've never had those issues before. So I feel like my method does work best for me. Again, it just depends on what works for you. But I don't use nail glue. I feel like it's gonna like make my fingers or like my nails or my hands feel very like uncomfortable. So I don't use nail glue. I don't burn, because I feel like human hair is already like very like fine and too curly for me to even want to like burn the ends. And I don't tie the knot, because the knot might just like even cause more tangle. Another question is, how long does it last? Again, this is human hair, so it could last as long as you want it to last. I've had mine for like 3 months plus, but that's because I'm just lazy to take it down. But if I want to go out to a party or go out in public, I can just like use like my nice swoop edge control and I'm good to go. But then again, I have like the color 1B. So if you do like a color 27 or color 30 and your natural hair is like black, clearly, even though the curls might still be good, your roots might just be like, growing out a little bit, right? So it might not last you as long as you want it to last. I mean, if you don't mind, then of course you can just have it for as long as you want to. But most of my clients would, come back after like 5 weeks and 6 weeks and 7 weeks for a touch-up. And some of the very like, good clients that really know how to take care of their hair would have their hair for like 3 months. When I asked them what did they do, they would tell me that as soon as the hair was like getting like, older, they would like twist or braid their hair after like spraying it. Some people would say like mousse works for them. Some people would say like deep leave-in conditioner like, works for them. But again, it's like, they're not saying that human hair would not tangle. They're just saying that human hair, it's more manageable, right? So if it tangles, you can just like get like a leave-in conditioner, water and oil mixtures and spray on your hair, and you should be good to go. That's the only difference. So you should take care of your hair. You should spray your hair. You should go put your fingers through your hair. You should be able to like take care of your hair, but you don't wait until like 2 weeks and 6 weeks and 4 weeks for you to start the care, because when you wait for that long, it's harder for you to, bring it back to life. But it's easier for you to have it stay looking nice if you take care of it as you go. Again, it just depends on like what's your goal to carry, like how long do you want to carry it for, right? And one thing that I've noticed is that if you're like a bun girl, so if you're kind of, person that loves to like put your hair in a bun, your hair might actually last you longer, because when your hair get older, you don't have to put it down. You can just like put it up in a bun and just have like few curls going down. So you could actually have it for a long time, because mine have been in a bun since like forever. I would just redo my bun like every day, like every other day. But if my goal is to have my hair down, I probably would have taken my hair down a long time ago. But because it's up in a bun, I'm able to like finesse my way through and just take my time to like take my hair down. So yeah, and I'm trying to see if people, so why do you steam the braids? I don't dip the curls in hot water. Again, I don't see the point of dipping your curls in the hot water, honestly. I know it's human hair, but I don't do that, right? So since the steam gives it the same effect, I prefer steaming my clients' hair, right? Because that also helps their your scalp and everything. So I prefer steaming their hair and just putting oil on their, scalp and, a nice oil sheen spray and everything. And, it does look softer, it feels softer. And even sometimes, most times the steam actually gets through even to the roots and just everywhere. Because when you dip it, you can only dip so much in hot water, right? But when you steam it, you literally steaming everything from the top to the bottom. So I feel better and safer using the steamer. And I also have the steamer link in my description box as well. So yeah, if you have any specific questions, please ask me, because again, like, I feel like I've done tons of these videos that I feel like I kind of have to just answer the questions in the beginning of the video, just so that you guys can have all those important details, so if you don't have to like watch the whole video, until the end. And as you see in the video as well, I don't feed in the same number of curls all around. So I might start with like a lesser count of curls at the back, and then when I get to the top, I'm going to just keep adding and adding and adding, right? That's how I'm able to get the full look. When you start doing too much at the back, you might end up running out of curls, right? But if you plan properly, you should be able to have enough. It took me time to like learn and master how to like use the exact number of bundles that my clients ordered for. But, before now, when they book for 3, I end up using like 3.5, right? Because again, I did not know how to manage the bundles appropriately. But now that I know better, I'm able to manage and know what row needs how many counts of curls. But yeah, if you have any other questions, feel free to ask me. But I feel like I've given you guys much detail, as much tea, and I'll be here to answer, your questions. And also, if you need more details about all my hairstyles, please follow my Instagram page. Trust me, the Instagram has like all the details in my caption. Like my caption has like the length, the size, the color, like every single tea. Like, trust me, just follow my Instagram page and you would basically have, most of your answers to, the questions. Okay, guys, that'll be all for now. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, if you like this video, please share my video, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you.
It's Fake Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls, them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls, them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me ya, say she give me pour me ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty one, say girl say my whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at, they think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing, I the think so. Girl, for me yard, see me for me yard. Me na pillow one, say she give me filler one. Say let me the villa one, say she give me film one. Man a one, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place, enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain, the only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's feet kills.
We finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty about it. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
Original bad man, you done know.
It's feet kills.
Standard.
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Girls, them around come. Me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I go love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, that she jeje. No, they do me, she get. You wanna come move fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh. So nobody better than you. I know. I say nobody proper than you. I know. Girl, one boy and need your money, yo. Need your money, yo. Them they feel you from London to SA. We can do it my way. Baby, make you ginger me. I wanna feel ya. Anything you do, make I feel em. If I know if you do, I'ma go talk em. Baby, you rock em. No need for protein, baby. Love you, baby. Dagu, party. I know, say, I just gotta tell you what's in my mind. You gotta know. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. you're feeling me, oh, and I be feeling you, oh. Original Batman, oh. John Tricks on the beat. Oh no, yeah, yeah.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffin' on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pon me yard, say she give me pon me yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I they think so. Any man, them me looking at they think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a boss in a the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, say me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty about it. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.